Hi guys, welcome back to Leytenia's Kitchenette. I'm going to cook a chicken with carrots. This chicken legs, look at here, this is the chicken legs. This is a frozen before. Then I boiled this one into the hot water. I added with salt and lemon. If you don't have lemon, you can use the vinegar and boiled egg. When it is a frozen chicken, you boil the egg so that it will be cooked quickly. Now, then after I boil, I remove the water, I drain, and this is it. So I saute the garlic and onions, this one. So this. Then I am going to add, look at this all. So this is already cooked. This chicken is already cooked because I already boiled it. And I will add this one with black pepper, paminta. I already sauteed this one with the hot oil together with the onions and garlic. So I add this paprika powder. And we will add a little bit of this lemon juice, so that the smell will be removed, okay? So we will just mix it like that. Parang adobo to siya. It's like adobo steak, okay? Just like that. Okay, guys? Then, I'm going to add 2 pieces of this chicken cubes or chicken broth, but I'm not going to add any more salt because I have already 2 pieces of this. So this is the alternative of using salt. So when you're going to use salt, never use any more the chicken broth because that is already very salty. Look at this, oh, adobo na siya. So this is already adobo. Look. So this is our adobo, guys. Then I am going to add these carrots because I'm going to add this one with sauce. Yan. So just like that, guys. Look, sarap na siya. Yan. Look, and I have here the fixed goulash. This one is for the beef curry or chicken curry. This is a product of Germany. So since I am not going to use tomato sauce, this is already a mix for the apretada or any chicken curry. So I'm going to add this one in here. And we will mix it. And I am going to add water, okay? Little bit water in order to dissolve the mixture and to cook the carrots, okay? Yan na. So that is it. So later, this color will change into like red-orange, okay? Para na siyang adobo. Oh, look at this. It looks like chicken adobo already. Okay? Ayan na. Yan. So that is it. Like that. So when the carrots will be cooked, so this is ready to be served. So hintayin lang natin na magkukulo siya. We will wait for it will be boiling and the carrots will become soft, and this is ready to be served with chicken or with pita bread or cubes. Okay, that is very easy, guys. So thank you for watching, and I hope you like this simple recipe, chicken legs with carrots and curry mix or goulash powder, a product of Germany. So yan. So now it started to boil now. Lapit na yan maluto. So it will almost done. Yan. Look at this. It is a sticky type. This mixture, goulash mixture, is sticky. That is really intended for beef curry. But since I'm not cooking a beef, so I cook this chicken legs. And look at this, guys. Okay, look, so yummy and healthy chicken curry. So this is my chicken curry. Simple lang. So if you can add also this one with bell pepper, green peas, and many things, as anything as you like to mix up with this chicken curry. So this is my chicken curry, guys. So if you want to be spicy, just add a chili powder and a ginger paste. We will add some more little bit water so that it will not dry. Yan. So this is a very yummy, healthy chicken curry. So please give a thumbs up, comment, and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to Leytenia's Kitchenette and click the notification bell so that you'll be updated of all my cooking vlogs. Thank you for watching. Bon appetit and happy weekend to everyone. God bless and stay safe always. Ciao, bye-bye.